guys doing? Welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm going to show you guys how to replace a bearing on a dryer. These dryers are not home dryers, are the laundromat dryers. I don't know if you have any. Maybe this can help you guys to save some money. What the dryer is doing is that when they put clothes in the dryer, as soon as it's kind of hard to spin. Sometimes maybe because the load's kind of heavy or something, and then the bearing's bad, so that's how you know, because the dryer won't spin. It's like too hard, like it's like not spinning, and you will hear like a little bit of a grindy noise. But to make sure it's not the bearing, you have to make sure there's nothing stuck on it. Like, make sure you guys like check for like any screws or nails stuck in there, or threads or anything that can block the. So here we are going. This is the back of the dryers. I have to go all the way back. As you can see, these are the dryers right here. This is the one that is going bad. So first of all, you have to take this off. And then once you take this off, I don't know if you can see it. Once you take this off, you take this one in the back off too. And then once you're done with that, you take these 4 screws out. And then this should come off. Yeah, once you take this off, this plate comes up, and then you can and then you'll be able to see the bearing. But I wish I could hold the camera, but I can't because I'm working by myself here. Sorry about that, but I'll see if I can show you guys little by little. Alright, as you can see, I already took off the parts. This part was right here like that. Oh wow, wait. Before that it was this one right here. It was just setting like that. So after that it was this one right here, like that, and after that it was just this screw, like that. So it was 4 screws. Once I took this off, it was a little bit of hard to take it out. I had to hammer up a little bit, work my way out, and once I come off, this thing just slides out. Is the bearing. As you can see, it's kind of hard to spin. It's not spinning. That's why it was making the grinding noise, and at the same time it was making the dryer not working properly. There's a little bit of hair or something in here. Anyways, I got a new bearing right here, as you can see. It spins freely. That's how it should be. It's a new bearing. See the difference? This one I can't even spin it. It's kind of hard. Even with both hands, it's hard to spin it. So so that's all it is. You just put this back on like that. Once it's good like that, you just put everything back. See, it will be this one will be first, and then the screws. Yeah, it will look like this. It will look like that one right there. It will look like that once you finish with that. Now you can see it. You have So once you're done with that, you put those screws. But make sure you put this one first. After that, this one goes first. Make sure you after the bearing, make sure you put this first. That one, and then you put this one, and then this one last. Right there. This is what you have to think about. Like I said, it's gonna be just like the way that one looks right there. I don't know if you can see it. So once you put the back, dryer should start just fine. Like I said, it only happens like you'll know when this go bad because you'll hear a grinding noise because of the bearing. Also, it's kind of, even with a little bit of cloth on it, the dryer has a hard time spinning. And then I check all the dryer around, and there was nothing holding it, like a screw or nail or something. Nothing. I was able to spin it with my hand, and then that's how I knew that the bearing could be bad. So okay, so hope this video helped you guys to save some money. It's pretty easy to do. You know, I want to do this because nowadays everybody, like technicians and all those guys, they charge a lot of money for simple little things. You know, for this job they take like 2 hours to get it done, and they end up charging like $95 an hour, or $90 an hour for a work that you could do it yourself. You know, that's why I'm doing this for anybody that can help you guys. You know, thank you for watching. And as you can see, it's spinning fine. I don't know if you can see it. No grinding noise, so this just shows me that it worked pretty good, and it started right off too. As soon as I press the start, it started right off. So that's how you know. It was giving a hard time when I had the old bearing. Alright, thank you guys for watching.